Here's how to create this 3D pull-in effect. Take a video of yourself reaching out and picking up your phone. Now make sure this video is shot in 0.5. Take a picture of your phone with a green screen. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Now import your video on InShot. Tap PIP and import the green screen. Press autofill to fit to screen. Tap the arrow to extend the layer to the end of the clip. Tap cutout, chroma, and adjust the strength and shadows to remove the green screen. Pinch to enlarge the phone frame. Scroll to where you pick up your phone and add a keyframe. Scroll further down to when you've pulled it in and expand the phone layer until you can't see the phone frame. Scroll between your keyframes and tap ease for a smoother transition. Now import the video again. Tap cutout to remove the background. And you'll get something like this. Will you try this 3D pull-in effect? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.